Hello student. Now in this video I am going to teach you hi-fi audio system. Previous video we already know the audio system. The function of audio system is that to reproduce audio signal. So important component of audio system are microphone, amplifier, some processing circuit and speaker. What is fidelity? It is the ability of the system to reproduce sound signal which is similar to the original signal. In another word, it is the ability of audio sound system to reproduce faithful sound. So, the audio system that will be used to reproduce faithful sound we called as hi-fi audio system. And important component of hi-fi audio system is microphone, amplifier, equalizing circuit and speaker. Here I am showing you the important characteristics of hi-fi system. First is that hi-fi system must have flat frequency response, that is 20 to 20 kHz in range. Second important point is that system must have stereophonic sound. Stereophonic sound means the system contains two speakers. System is used in that noise-free sound can be produced. So the noise can be cancelled or reduced by using pre-emphasis and de-emphasis filter circuit. System must produce noise-free distortion at the output. We know that distortion may be the phase distortion or may be the voltage distortion. So voltage distortion we called as non-linear distortions, and this non-linear distortion can exist in the amplifier circuits. So this non-linear distortion can be reduced by using push-pull type amplifier circuit. And last is that system must have high dynamic range. High dynamic range means the sound system respond to the high sound or to the low sound, called as a dynamic range. In short, we called as a response of the sound system called as dynamic range for low sound as well as high sound. The important question may be asked on this topic, that draw the block diagram of hi-fi audio system for magnetic tape recorder or for CD player, for DVD player or for FM radio. So the student, important point is that this your left side contains the input device, right side contains your playback device, that is the speaker. So the input side is required a playback signal processing unit, that will be the magnetic tape recorder, another will be the CD player, third will be the DVD player, or fourth will be the FM radio, or if not all are present, then we can use for microphone. This is the switching unit. It can use to switch the microphone connections or maybe the DVD player connection or maybe the CD player connections. The function of preamplifier is used to increase the signal of playback signal. The function of equalizer. Equalizer is nothing but a audio control device that will be used to control the frequency of audio signals by using potentiometer. We can adjust the frequency of audio signal in the range of 20 to 20 kHz by using 5-band equalizer or by using 7-band equalizer or by using 10-band equalizer. Last will be the power amplifier. and the function of power amplifier will be is used to increase the signal strength. Matching circuit is nothing but a transformer that will be used to provide the maximum power transfer from amplifier to the speaker. So both amplifier circuit contains a balance control unit. By using this part, we can control the sound wave. Upper side will be the right channel side, lower will be the left channel side. If we set this part to the center, then the audio is balanced for right as well as left side. Some important controls was available on hi-fi system. First is that master gain control. So both amplifier gain or overall gain or the volume of the amplifier circuit can be controlled through this part. Balance control. This is the important control where we can set the speaker output to the left side or upper side, or bottom side means lower side. So the speaker output can be adjusted, means right speaker or means left speaker, by using this potentiometer part. Again, important control is that bass control. We know that it is a low frequency signal, so the amplifier output can be adjusted to the low frequency node by using this part. Treble control. It is a high frequency signal node or high frequency sound is adjusted through this part. So the student, these are some important controls available on hi-fi systems. 2 marks question may be asked on this topic. List the controls available on hi-fi system. What are the different types of facilities available on hi-fi amplifier system? The facilities are microphone input. There will be the plug in jack is inbuilt there for to insert that microphone or for making the connection to the microphone. The connection may be the wired or maybe the wireless. Auxiliary input. So auxiliary input is nothing but again wired connections. The wired connection can be made using mobile with this hi-fi amplifier system, so that your mobile inbuilt sound can be playback using that auxiliary input. Earphone input. These are again some extra facilities available for earphone input. USB connections. So if anybody having the pen drive, then inbuilt on that pen drive, if suppose a song is present, then this USB connection will be the helpful for playbacking that audio signals. Bluetooth connections. If we know that this Bluetooth connection will be helpful for connecting the mobile device to that hi-fi amplifier system for playbacking that audio signals. So the student, so important point is that so this hi-fi system can be used. So hi-fi system can be used in mobile phones, television receiver, radio receiver, laptops, and so on. So here we complete the hi-fi unit. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you for watching.